Namaskar. Again, I welcome you all to my channel of Sharmila Texart. Now you have come to know the work that we do here. Today, I'll show you another section, that is a tailoring part that we have, our own unit, where we tailor some tussar and silk and cotton dupattas, wrappers, then kurtas, everything. Today I am going to display you some tussar and silk kurtas, and some of them are block printed, some of them are hand embroidered. I will be describing each and every one. Now about the size, let me tell you. If I show you 42 size, it doesn't mean that you won't get the other sizes. You will get. We are showing you one piece, but you tell me your size when you take a screenshot, and I will provide you the same. As you have been doing, taking screenshots and sending me to WhatsApp the two numbers 8777686383, 9874764588. These are the two WhatsApp numbers. You are sending me the same way you do it, and the thing will reach to your house either by COD or by courier. Don't worry about it. So I go to my first kurta today. That is hand block printed tussar silk and kurta. You will get all sizes. This is 2500 in price, and the print is key. You know, lock and key. These are small keys that are printed all over. This is little high neck. You can get the sizes of your choice. This is number one. Number two is again a cycle print, block printed in our own workshop. I'll show you my workshop one day. This is 2500 in price. Green and blue print, I think from close we can show you. This is tussar silk kurta, 2500 in price. Now the next one has got little ari work also. This is the design of the kurta. Back side is plain black. 3200 is the price, and you get ari work. You know, little motifs are highlighted. At the hand also you will get little ari work. That's how its price is 3200. Very good quality tussar. You will get ample cloth inside to increase the size if you like. This is very good quality tussar also. So number 3 is this 3200. Now I go to number 4, again 2500 because it doesn't have any embroidery. This is black and red design. Black and red. These are the hands. You can see the back portion is pure red. Price is 2500. You will get all the sizes. Please take a screenshot and let me know your size. This is 3100. First we have block printed it. Orange and black is the print. Then we have hand embroidered. See, these are the hand embroidery done. Kathia body embroidery on the yoke portion of the kurta, and the hand also highlighting the work. This is the back portion. 3100 is the price. Prices will go on the screen. You won't have to worry. As this doesn't have any block print, only ari work in the yoke portion, it is hand embroidered, coffee in color, and the price is 2800. Pure tussar silk, and you will get lining also inside. One piece I am showing you the lining portion, so that the good quality lining that we use. And this is the back, and see, so much clearance has been given inside both the sides. So no problem with your size. Still you tell me your size, I'll provide you the correct size. So this is 2800. Another one 2800 with ari work, rust in color, pure tussar silk with lining, with inside clearance. This is the back, and this is the front portion. Next one, as it doesn't have any print or work, some of you like solids. You tell me that we like solids. This is Firoza in color, tussar silk kurta, 2300 in price, and this is the back of it. And as I told you, you won't have to worry about the size. I will provide. I have got my own tailoring section. This is rust color, hand embroidered, rust color tussar silk kurta, 3200 in price. Back portion is this. Next I go to another one. 2500 is always the block print price. Pure tussar silk with lining. This is the next one. Black, red and virgin color. Virgin tussar. 2500 in price. 2500 is again the price of the next one. This is the block print. Orange and black. 2500 is the price. This is the back of it. Now next one is a silk one. Silk hand block printed. Purple, lemon. Lemon goes very well with purple. This is 2100 in price. This is the kurta, and the back of it is this. These are all done by us with 3 silk threads at your yoke portion. 2100 silk. Now Katan silk. This is 3100 in price, because this is Katan silk with hand embroidery. Very nice earthen color. This is the hand embroidery done. Full front, half of it. This is the back. 3100. Now again, orange and black. 2500 is the price. Plain is the back portion. Well stitched. This is 2500. This print we called overlapping print. You will get here only in our workshop. The hand is this. See the print, it has got a technique. Price is 2500, and this is the back. All tussar silk kurtas I am showing. Please subscribe my channel so that you get next notifications, as some of you requested me about kurtas, dupattas, so I am here today with them. 2500, again tussar silk, hand block printed, purple color, purple with small flower motifs, and this is the back of it, purple. 2500. আমার কিছু বাঙালি বন্ধুরা যাদের ধরুন বয়স 18 থেকে 26, তারা হয়তো পুজোতে একটা তসরের কুর্তা পরে বেরিয়ে পড়বে, সারাদিন শাড়ি ম্যানেজ করতে পারছে না, তাদের জন্য এগুলো খুব কাজে আসবে। বাকি আমার বন্ধুরা অনেকবার আমায় রিকোয়েস্ট করেছেন, আমি সেই জন্য আজকে এই কুর্তার কালেকশন নিয়ে এসেছি। তো এটা হচ্ছে 2800 in price, block printed in my own workshop. Then hand ari has been used at the outline, highlighting it. That's how his price is only 300 rupees more because of this highlighting. The black and red. এবার এটা সিল্কের কুর্তা দেখাচ্ছি। 2100 silk, but very good quality silk. Lining has been given. Very strong these are. 2100 is the price. Floral. See, royal blue and red and white is the print. In the front, hands are solid red. Otherwise it will look very clumsy. This is the back of it. Another silk. Very nice block of us. Wine glass, small wine glasses is the block. Black and white. This is very popular. See how beautifully we have made it with the colors that we have used in the shaded dye in the hand portion. This is the hand. Very nice. 2100 only, pure silk with lining. সব কটা লাইনিং আছে, ভেতরে যথেষ্ট কাপড় দেওয়া আছে, আমার নিজে টেলার বানান। 3500 kalamkari hand painted tussar kurta, and we all know how difficult kalamkari is, how time taking it is. Done in my own factory. Wine in color. Back is this. So 3500. The next one is a silk one. Lemon color, very fluorescent. Some of you like it very much. Orange and green are the colors used for print, block print. দেখুন ঝাড় বানিয়েছি আমরা ব্লক দিয়ে, কি সুন্দর লাগছে। লেমন কালার, very nice it is. all are given, linings given, it's very 2100 is the price. Home washable, you can wash them with shampoo and spread them in shade, grey color with hand embroidery, kantha work at the yoke portion. Price is 3200. This is grey in color and this is the back of it. Hope it's done. Now I go to the next one, tussar silk. Now see, the whole front part is kantha work like this, and the hand portion also you will get kantha, red and virgin tussar and black, very beautifully done. The price of it is 3500 because of so much work. You can understand, see how intricate the work is also. 3500. Now navy blue and white, this is again a very unique block of us, 2100 in price. Little Chinese collar is there, navy blue black, ভীষণ bright, খুব স্মার্ট, পরে অফিসে যান। 2100। এই ব্লকটাই আমি আরেকটা ভাবে এটা ইউজ করেছি, তাই পরপর দেখাচ্ছি। 2500 is the price. Tussar silk, hand block printed. The whole kurta is like this only. Now lemon and grey, very good combination. 2500 is the price. These are the hand portions. The back is this. One half is this print and another is yellow dye. This is lemon yellow. 2500. I told you don't worry about your size. I'll provide you your size. 2500 is the price of my next one. Coffee color. These are some unique colors that we make here. These are the hands, hand block printed, and this is the back of it. 2500 is the price. Now next is a royal blue color in tussar silk, where I have used Gujarati hand embroidery at the yoke portion. Price is 2800 only. See how beautiful it looks. White color, Gujarati কাজ করে দিয়েছি, এটা back. Now another lemon I show. This one has lemon and the print is black, orange and red. So beautifully done. অনেকেই fluorescent color আজকাল পছন্দ করছেন. This is a hand of it. And this is the back. আমরা একদম ব্লক দিয়ে ঝাড়ের মতো করে দিয়েছি, এমব্রয়ডারির মতো। So price is 2100 only. This is a silk, royal blue in color with kantha embroidery at this side. This is kantha embroidery. 2700 is the price. Royal blue is the color of the silk. Vishnupuri silk. Now 2100 is the price of my next purple kurta with fish motifs, block printed. This is purple in color, very popular one. 2100 in price. Back portion also having same print. I show you these panels have been made in one side of my next black, orange, red, maroon. These are the colors used. All are designer pieces. I have designer, I design myself too. This is the hand portion and this is the back of it. 2500 again is the price. Now see, extensive embroidery has been done on this. This is magenta and tussar, and this is Parshi hand embroidery done on it. Whole one, see, beautifully hand Parshi done. Price is 3100. About size you won't have to worry. Size providing is my duty. Purple and virgin tussar color with again hand Parshi, different design. Price is again the same, 3100. Now Gujarati work, Rani color hands have been given to make a symmetry. The work is with Rani thread. Gujarati work on tussar, again 3100. And royal blue Gujarati work is different on this. with mirrors, everything you find. The hands are royal blue. The whole front portion is embroidered like this, extensive embroidery. 3,100 is the price. Gujarati and Kathiawadi mixed, red and virgin tussar. Work has been done with black, golden, green, red, multicolor. Very nice, very gorgeous. These are all party wears. পুজোর দিন সকালে পরে ঠাকুর দেখতে বেরোতে হবে। এবার তো অনেকেরই ভ্যাকসিন হয়ে যাচ্ছে না, most of us are given vaccines, so I think this will be better puja this time. This is red on tussar color, Gujarati with some mirror work. Again the same price, 3,500. So much work you see. হাতে কতটা কাজ, সামনে কতটা কাজ, 3,500. এবারে আমি একটা দুপাট্টা দেখাচ্ছি, এটার দামও 3,500। এটা জরি বর্ডার তাসারে আছে। দেখুন দুপাট্টাটা পুরোটাই কাজ করা। The whole dupatta has been embroidered like this with kantha work. Multicolored, lemon, royal blue, green, rust, so many colors. So this is the dupatta. Full 2.5 meter and 36 inches the breadth of his standard breadth. 3,500 is the price. Now 2,800 is the price of the next, because its work is little less, but this is again beautiful. Wear it with solid black tussar kurta, tussar dupatta with kantha work. See, this is the kantha work and full size, 36-inch breadth. 2,800 is the price. We have kept prices very reasonable. Quality, those of you who have already received are ordering from my older videos. It shows that it's a compliment for me. It shows that I keep good quality. 2,800, kantha work, royal blue. Kantha work, royal blue color. The whole dupatta is embroidered thus. 2,800 is the price. Last one of today's episode is a Gicha tussar. As you know, Gicha itself is a very costly fabric, very soft. Whole of it is embroidered like this, very ethnic one. The full dupatta is embroidered. See the back of it, full size. যে কোনো রঙের সঙ্গে এই দুপাট্টাটা যাবে। ভীষণ সফট ফ্যাব্রিক আছে। এটার প্রাইস হচ্ছে 3,500, কেননা পুরোটাই এমব্রয়ডারি আছে। আশা করি আপনাদের সকলের ভালো লেগেছে। হোপ ইউ হ্যাভ all liked my kurtas and my dupattas. I could have shown my uniqueness that these are all done by us in our own workshop, where others' work are never done. So I'm very happy with your responses, with your inspirations, and that keeps us going. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends.